Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So I wanted to talk about wardrobe essentials and touch on some key pieces that make up my wardrobe. Of course, they are very personal and would vary according to an individual's personal style, but to me, wardrobe essentials are a core collection of basic pieces that make the main components of many outfits. The pieces I'm going to be sharing are timeless staples that you can wear repeatedly and won't date. So starting with a simple white tee. This is an obvious one but a core piece. It's the base of many outfits, whether it's worn on its own, with a blazer or jacket, underneath a sweat, or formally and casually. The perfect white tee is clean and understated, and my personal most loved one is from Ariat. It's a great quality heavyweight t-shirt, and this is a permanent fixture in my wardrobe and definitely a piece that I'd say everyone needs. You could dress this t-shirt up or down, especially when it comes to accessories. You can just make it more elevated, and you could pair it with a pair of tailored trousers for a more sophisticated look, or really make it relaxed and dress it down with some jeans and trainers. Next up is a striped shirt. To me, this is a classic piece, and it's transitional and it looks amazing in summer with a pair of jeans, some relaxed trousers, or in winter underneath a white jumper with the collar peeking through. I really love masculine pieces, and this has that stole from my boyfriend's closet look, but when you style it in a chic way, I think it can look super classy. A lot of my basics are from Ariat because they simply do them really well. This shirt is one I picked up a couple of years ago, and it's aging really well, and I still get as much wear of it now as I did then. I really love the oversized fit of this shirt. I think it makes it look more relaxed and casual, and another detail that I really love is the oversized sleeve. I think it just makes this shirt look much more interesting. A white shirt is another classic, whether you're styling it formally for work or casually with some jeans. There are so many ways that you could style a white shirt. The options are endless. You can keep it open with a tank underneath, or maybe over a swimsuit if you're on vacation. I styled a linen shirt here because it's summer, and this particular one from Under the Stories has been getting a lot of wear. Because it's linen, it's really breathable, so it's perfect for the current climate, but I just love throwing it on with some jeans and a pair of loafers, and it looks both smart and relaxed. Moving on to light knitwear. So I'm from the UK, so knitwear in summer is still key, and I love cardigans as you could wear it open with a t-shirt underneath, or you can button it up and wear it like a jumper. I definitely opt for a cardigan over a jumper because they're perfect with trousers or even over a dress, and having a neutral one is so beneficial because it'll go with everything. This one is from Under the Stories, and it's so soft and comfortable, and it's definitely one that'll see me through winter as well. I really love a boxy silhouette, so this one is also perfect because it has that slight masculine feel to it that would look so great with a pair of heels, just kind of contrasting it with something really feminine. Blue jeans are another piece that you have to have in your wardrobe, and having the perfect pair of blue jeans has saved me on every occasion that I just couldn't pick what to wear. It's the perfect base for any top, and I love to wear jeans both casually and for an evening out with some heels and a dressy top. I personally love a straight leg jean because I wouldn't want to wear anything restricting or tight, and a mom jean or boyfriend jeans just isn't the most flattering on me, so this is the perfect in between. My most worn pair is from Ariat. It's such a great heavyweight denim and is really great quality for the price. I have this pair in a couple of different washes, but I personally find the lighter wash to be more versatile and a little bit more subtle and laid back. Black jeans or trousers, depending on personal preference. This is the perfect base for so many looks, and it's a core piece for an office environment and can also be worn casually. Here I'm just wearing some jeans, but black trousers are a pair that's heavily worn in my closet, and I really love contrasting a pair of really smart trousers with something like a sweatshirt for a relaxed look. I find that mixing the two will mean that you still have that touch of sophistication to an outfit, and this is again one of those pieces that would go with everything, and it's an essential for all seasons. There are so many combinations that you could make with a pair of black pants, and again something that you could definitely dress up or down. Tailored trousers are an essential for me. I personally love a tailored pant, and especially worn with trainers for a bit of contrast. I've always loved tailoring and how sophisticated and put together it makes me feel. And they're great because you could wear it to work on the weekend. For an occasion, all you need to do is change up the choice of footwear. So I've opted for a neutral piece here because I wanted to touch on owning a statement pair of trousers that would help to elevate an outfit and generally your wardrobe. I personally love the buckle detail on here because it adds an interesting spin on a classic piece, and it just takes it from looking like a really simple basic pair of trousers to something a little bit more interesting. A trouser like this would look great with a button-up shirt, a silky shirt or a blouse, even a t-shirt or a jumper in winter. So it's really versatile and definitely one of those all year round pieces. But with this particular one being in a linen blend, it's even more perfect for right now because it's getting a lot warmer over here in the UK. I love white jeans, both in winter but especially in summer, because they look so fresh and clean, and I feel like they really help to brighten up an outfit and just your whole look. This is again another versatile piece that can be worn multiple ways, whether it's with a jumper or a striped shirt. It can also look more formal with a blazer thrown on. White jeans are a staple, and you could also buy it in a really relaxed balloon fit jeans so it can look even more casual and is perfect for summer. I have this pair from Ariat, which is in the straight leg regular cropped jean, and this is my absolute favourite pair because it's just the perfect silhouette for my frame. I wear blazers so often. They're a massive staple in my wardrobe and they really help to pull an outfit together and elevate something really casual. This beige blazer from Zara is one of my most worn because it complements so many looks, especially in summer. So it looks great with a pair of jeans like I've styled it here, whether it's blue or white, and it looks great with trousers or a dress and a skirt. So it pretty much goes with everything. It's pretty lightweight, so I can still wear it right now while it's slightly warmer, but it's also great in winter with an overcoat thrown on. This is the perfect piece for an office environment too, and it'll help make any outfit look smarter. So it's also great for formal events in the evening with some heels thrown on. I personally love this camel blazer from Zara. It's in a really relaxed fabric, but I also love the tone because it complements so many of the neutral pieces that I already own, and I think it just looks really nice and sophisticated. Trench coats are perfect in summer and in spring, but they're also great for that awkward transitional weather or for British weather when you really can't depend on a consistent summer. I've had this one from H&M for years, and I've just invested in a new one from Totem because I get so much wear out of trenches. Being in the UK, the weather is pretty temperamental, so it's always perfect to have a really good spring jacket that you can still wear in summer. These are great because you can throw it over anything, whether it's a dress or trousers, and I really love having a trench coat in an oversized fit because it looks so much more relaxed. I also find that trench coats are very personal, so depending on your body shape or your style preference, you could find the perfect trench coat for you. I really like an oversized and masculine fit. This one from H&M has served me really well. It's in a really great quality and I have just worn it so often over the last couple of years, but it was time to switch up for a bit of an upgrade and a more high quality trench coat. Nude sandals in summer are key. I find that nude sandals really help to elongate legs. They almost act as a bit of an extension and they go with absolutely everything. This is a very comfortable pair from By Far, and they're perfect to wear for a full day and they have the perfect heel height. This is another pair that's perfect for all occasions, whether it's casual or formal, and I feel like it just pulls an entire look together. These are so versatile. I've always been a trainer girl. They're just the perfect shoe to throw on, and if you're one for comfort like myself, I'd really recommend investing in the perfect pair. This pair from Golden Goose are amazing for wearing out and about, and they complement so many looks, especially when thrown on with jeans. But a couple of my other favourite pairs of trainers are Veigas. They're really comfortable too, and they're at a much more affordable price point, so I will link some alternatives in the description box. But I find white trainers so versatile, and I think that you can throw them on with anything and it will just make it look so much more relaxed. I find that owning a smarter shoe is essential because they would come in handy for a slightly dressier day or for work. I've had this pair from Gucci for so long and they're so comfortable, and they're my go-to because I can walk in them all day and they help to make my outfits look much more sophisticated and sleek. These loafers are such a great investment buy. I find that they are really long lasting and they're a pair that will never go out of style, and the quality of them is amazing too. I just find that you really have to maintain them well and they'll last you much longer. If you follow me on Instagram, you'll already know how much I love my sunglasses. They're really key in summer, and I really love that you can show off more personality with your own perfect pair, and they're really personal and subjective to your own personal style. I personally like a sleek and minimal pair, so this one from Mulberry is ideal. I have them in the Jane style and I wear them all the time. They go with every single outfit and they're just great to balance out all of my looks. So those are some of my key pieces, and I hope that you guys enjoy this video. I hope that it was informative, and I'll see you all in my next one.